Good morning, student. Now, last time we complete exercise number 8.1. Means first part of this lesson trigonometry. Now, actually there are three parts of this lesson. Today I want to start second part. Second part means what? Trigonometric ratio of some specific angle. Some specific, you know about trigonometric ratio. There are 6 trigonometric ratios: sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec. Now, specific angles for particular angles. Angles 30. Suppose first start from 0, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Now, you all, this is the table number 8.1 in your textbook. How you can learn or write the values of specific angles of the trigonometric ratio. I will take first trigonometric ratio sine A. Sine, you know that, opposite upon hypotenuse. So, you remember or learn only one trigonometric ratio, then I will explain you how to write all remaining 5. Suppose sine A, instead of A angle is 0, means sine 0 equal to 0. Sine 30 equal to 1 upon 2. Sine 45 equal to 1 upon root 2. Sine 60 equal to root 3 by 2. And sine 90 equal to 1. Now, what is cos? What is the difference between sine and cos? So, for cos A angle, suppose cos A 0 degree. So, what is 91? So, you write here 1. 30 degree. What is 60? R complement. 45 is same. And 30 means 1 upon 2. And 90 means cos 0, 1, 30 root 3 by 2, 45 1 upon root 2, 60 1 upon 2 and 0. Now, you start from here. Okay? Then you will write tan. You know that what is tan? Tan means what? Sine upon cos. Sine means you know that opposite upon hypo. Okay? And cos means what? Adjacent upon hypo. Hypo cancel. Tan means opposite upon adjacent. It means tan A equal to sine upon cos. So, what is sine? 0. 0 upon 1. 0 upon 1 means 0. 1 upon 2 upon root 3. 2 to cancel. 1 upon root 3. 2 cancel means 1. Here ratio 2 cancel. Root 3 upon 1. Now, 1 upon 0. You know that when the remainder means denominator, any numbers. Suppose 1 upon 0, this denominator is 0, is not defined, means you can say that it's infinity. You can write not defined. Not defined, otherwise you write. Okay? Now, then cot. Sine and cot are the inverse, means you start from here, not defined. Then 30 root 3, 45 1, 1 upon root 3 and 0. Okay? Then sec and cosec. Suppose you write first sine or cosec. Cosec A. Cosec means what? Cosec A means hypo upon opposite. Actually it is the inverse of, it is 1 upon sine. Means you write 1 upon 0. 1 upon 0 means not defined. Right? Then 1 upon 2 is cancelled. 1 upon, right? Inverse of this. 0, 1 upon 0. 2, root 2, reverse 2 upon root 3 and 1 upon 1 means 1. Okay? And last, sec. Sec means what? Sec is nothing but 1 upon cos. Right? Cos A. So, cos A, 1 upon 1 means 1. It is 2 upon root 3. It is root 2. It is 2 and 1 upon 0 means not defined. or infinity. This is the symbol used for infinity. Okay. So first you learn this table. Learn by heart this table. You remember only one. You write the inverse upon 10, opposite what? Second question. Okay. Then we start by using this trigonometric ratio, specific angle. Solve the problems. It carry 2 marks. How you can solve the problems? Given in your exercise number 8.2. Just I explain you one question. See, question number 1. In question number 1, right, 4 to 5 examples are given. So, exercise number 8.2, question number 1. Exercise number 8.2 in question 1. First one, sin 60 into, nothing is into, cos 30 plus sin 30 and cos 60. Okay? So, what is sin 60? You see in table and write the value. Sin 60 means, see, sin 60 root 3 by 2. Cos 30, see, same value of sin 60 and cos 30. So you write root 3 by 2 into root 3 by 2 plus sin 30 1 upon 2, cos 60 1 upon 2. Root 3, 3 by 4 plus 1 1 upon 4, right? So what is the LCM? 3 plus 1, 4 upon 4 is equal to 1. Okay, so you can find the value of this, right? And suppose if numbers are given, I will give the second number. What is the question number 2? Second question. Question number 2 means 2 tan 45 plus cos square 30 minus sin square 60. But this is the last question. I will explain only this. Suppose 2 multiply by tan 45. Tan 45 means 1 plus cos square 30. What is cos 30? Cos 30 means root 3 by 2 whole square minus sin square 60. Sin 60 means root 3 by 2 whole square. So 2 1 2 plus root 3 by 2 whole square means root 3 square 3 by 4 minus root 3 by square means 3 by 4. 3 by 4 cancel. Answer is 2. Okay. So today you learn this table. Write in your classwork table number 8.1 all specific trigonometric ratio and their angles, and exercise number 8.1. First question, I will solve you these 2 questions, resubstitute the value and then complete question number 1 in class 1.